In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect TeamGate CRM with Trello and why you might want to consider this integration for streamlining your sales and project management. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to make the connection, but also whether it's the best move for your workflow. And stick around until the end for a special bonus, a better alternative to this integration that could save you time and effort. First things first, let's break down what TeamGate CRM is and why you might use it. TeamGate is a customer relationship management tool that focuses on helping businesses manage their leads, contacts, and sales pipeline efficiently. It's designed for sales teams who want to keep track of opportunities, automate processes, and optimize their workflows. But how does it connect with Trello? That's where things get interesting. The first thing you'll want to do is sign into your TeamGate account and head over to your settings. TeamGate allows you to sync up with other tools to improve your workflow. With Trello, which is a popular project management tool, you can streamline your tasks, track progress, and assign actions all within Trello boards. Next thing, let's talk about the integration process itself. To start, you'll need to use a third-party tool like Zapier. Zapier acts as the bridge that connects TeamGate CRM with Trello. You'll first need to create a Zapier account, and from there, you can create a Zap that links your TeamGate account to your Trello board. For example, when a new lead is added to TeamGate, a new card can automatically be created in Trello, helping you stay on top of your tasks. The third thing is understanding what this integration can do for you. Once TeamGate and Trello are connected, you can automate a lot of repetitive tasks like creating Trello cards from new contacts in TeamGate, updating opportunities, or tracking sales progress. This integration allows for more seamless data flow, reducing the need to manually input the same information in multiple places. Now, let's talk about the downsides. While this integration can save time, it's not without its challenges. Zapier, for example, offers a free plan, but if you want advanced features or more automation, you'll need to upgrade. That means, depending on your needs, the integration might get pricey over time. Plus, the process isn't entirely hands-off. You'll need to monitor the integration to ensure everything syncs correctly, and that could be a headache if something breaks. The fourth thing we should address is the fact that while TeamGate CRM is solid for tracking sales, it doesn't offer the same level of project management features as Trello. In other words, you're still jumping between two tools. If your business heavily relies on both customer management and detailed project tracking, this integration might help, but it's not perfect. There are some friction points that can pop up, and the syncing process can sometimes be glitchy depending on the amount of data you're dealing with. Next, I'm going to talk about a better alternative for those of you looking for more efficiency. While TeamGate CRM and Trello offer a good integration, if you want a more unified system, you might want to check out a tool like Monday.com. Monday.com offers built-in CRM features and project management tools within a single platform, so you won't need to juggle two different apps. Plus, it's super customizable, which makes it ideal if you want to centralize your sales and project management. So, here's the kicker. Through our link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial for Monday.com, so you can give it a try without any risk. But don't worry, if you prefer sticking with TeamGate and Trello, we've got you covered with some amazing alternatives to improve your workflow, all with free trials. To sum up, connecting TeamGate CRM with Trello can work well for some workflows, but if you're looking for a more streamlined solution, you might want to look into alternatives like Monday.com. Check the description below for all the details, and don't forget to get your exclusive free trial.